from the art, we can embody this feeling. We can feel it come into us, feel our own connection to spirit, feed that sun of our soul, that sun in our hearts, the sun in our bellies, and ripple that energy outwards. Ripple that energy outwards to all beings and inwards to ourselves. Look at people enjoying the art and embodying it. This is why I love to create these spaces, so people can come in, and when we're in these communities where we're practicing how to be in healthy, loving, uplifting community together, that's what festivals are to me. We get this opportunity to practice. Practice how we can use energy to tap in and feel that truth of our infinite source connection with energy. We are energy beings. You are a powerful divine being made of energy, and we can learn to connect with it and wield it for change, right? That's why I'm doing all of this. All of the things I do is to help us.
You don't have to be sorry for creating magnificent